Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix group join problem on Facebook application. So if you ever encounter this problem, the first thing you should do is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and then search for Facebook. If you see the update button right here, you have to tap on update. Once done, go back and see if this method will work. If not, you just have to simply again long press your Facebook application and then go to app info. This time you have to look for the storage usage. You have to click this one and then look for clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Once done, go back. And at this time, you have to look for permission. And as much as possible, you allow here the camera, microphone notification, and so on. Now, if this method didn't work, then the very last thing you should do here is to uninstall your Facebook application and reinstall it again. To do that, you have to simply exit and then you just have to long press your Facebook application, tap uninstall, click OK, go back to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and then reinstall it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.